Hey everyone and welcome to a new video. Today we want to talk about the interesting topic again, which is important for every game developer, studio owner or also indie developer who is currently working with Unreal Engine to build games or other applications. The CEO of Epic Games, Tim Sweeney, talked about a new pricing model for the Unreal Engine, and that makes actually sense because this engine is not only getting used for games but also a lot for simulations, and especially like in the car industry to visualize a lot of stuff there, where Epic Games don't really earn money with. Those license changes are being considered due to Epic Games not generating the expected profits. And this is partially because the free usage of the Unreal Engine and the fact that most users won't generate over $1 million in gross revenue, basically, which is the threshold for paying Epic Games a 5% license fee. Epic Games also incurs costs from stuff like free for the month asset packs, the Quixel support, reality capture deals, ArtStation deals, and much more. They claim to allocate 40% of their earnings to compensate creators. Larger companies in industries like automotive, film, and architecture are like to be affected by these changes, while game developers, especially indie game developers, may not be directly impacted. The Unreal Engine will remain free for students, educators, and teachers. The likelihood of game developers having to pay is considered low, given the backlash against Unity Engine's recent changes, where I also made a video about, which you also should check out if you are currently considering to switch from Unity to Unreal Engine and now maybe are a bit distracted by those pricing changes basically in the Unreal Engine. And the loss of users to competing engines like Unreal Engine and Godot, Epic Games is expected to learn from Unity's experience, so it's unlikely that Unreal Engine will change or will charge game developers, especially indie developers, large sums. But even in a hypothetical scenario where game developers must pay, it is considered unrealistic that they would suddenly have to pay. Existing users who have agreed to the current Unreal Engine and user license agreement, the Euler, are likely protected unless they upgrade to a new version with a different Euler. However, this is not guaranteed legally. In conclusion, the situation regarding the license changes for Unreal Engine users is uncertain, and it's advised to stay informed. You can also, for example, subscribe to this channel here, and I will keep you updated on those topics. So don't fall for panic, including rumors or something like that. Waiting for official announcements and being cautious is recommended basically, and joining discussions on other platforms like the unofficial Unreal Engine Discord can maybe also provide additional insights. All in all, I'm curious to see how all this stuff will evolve in the near future, because the use cases of Unreal Engine are crazy and go far beyond normal gaming. Our studio, for example, also built virtual 3D offices and roadshows using AI virtual characters and much more. And we will see next year if we, for example, also need to pay a license for those special use cases. But even when all users should pay a license, I guess normal indie developers can still approach studios to outsource the development and can avoid those fees like that, since the studio already pay a fee, and maybe that could also be a smart workaround for that, which might get interesting by the next year. Because in this scenario, your development would get handled by professionals and you have a reliable team working on your project, so you don't have to deal with constantly changing developers messing up your existing code, which will cause other long-term issues. But we also already made videos about those topics as well already on our channel, which you also definitely should check out if you're still working together with various freelancers for short-time contracts instead of building up a reliable team working on your game. But that's it for this video, and if you're looking for a reliable studio or team assisting you with your game project, then you're right here, and I would be happy to learn more about your project in a quick call, which you can easily book over the link in the description. Or, of course, you can also easily write me a mail with your requirements. I'm looking forward to talking about your game idea and helping you plan out a roadmap with the next possible steps. in a free call. Really, you don't have nothing to lose but much to win, so feel free to book that call. But that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and definitely let me know what you think about those changes in the pricing model in the comments. But that's it now. Take care. Bye.